Okay, so I got this at Costco the other day. Garlic bread, take and bake. And the one thing that I thought was interesting is it says no preservatives, but it also says good until August, which is kind of crazy. But anyway, here it is. That's what it looks like. We're going to crack one open, check it out, slap it in the old toaster oven, and see how it goes. So here's the nutritional information. Going to preheat the toaster oven to 425. Remove the bread from the package. Discard this little packet here. Separate the halves. Smooth the garlic spread. Place spread side up on a foil or baking sheet. 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown. All right, let's do it. So I'll heat up the toaster oven. So while the garlic bread bakes, off a little bit more of the packaging. Looking nice and golden brown. Here's a section from the middle. So it doesn't feel dried out. Actually feels moist. Let me take a bite. So it's not super garlicky. It's chewy. It's not too dried out. And that was my main concern. I thought it might be too dried out, but this is actually pretty good. I could see having this with spaghetti. And let me try it again. I'm liking it. So I forget what I paid for this. I mean, it's been a while. I might try this again if the price is right. I'm going to have some more of this now.
So I think this could come in handy because of the convenience.
I mean, you can buy this at Costco, keep it in your cupboard for what? Almost half a year. And if you need it, just pop it out, stick it in the toaster oven for 12 minutes, and you're set. If I had any criticisms, I think I'd like it with a little bit more butter, a little more taste to it, because it's not super flavorful, but then again, I'm eating it by itself here. I'm sure if you had it with some pasta, spaghetti, a salad, a full meal, it would go great. So yeah, if the price is right, I think I'd pick this up again. So I think I'm going to go carb it up now, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. Bye.